Let's answer this org-chem question from ACS-NCO. Which molecular orbitals are occupied in the ground state of 1,3-butadiene? And we are given two specific orbital representations. Before we go to the molecular orbital, recall that for alkenes, each carbon atom in a double bond is sp2 hybridized, and to achieve this, a carbon atom combines its 2s orbital with two of its 2p orbital to form the sp2 hybrid orbital. And this leaves exactly one unhybridized 2p orbital. The sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap head-on to form the sigma bonds, and the unhybridized p orbitals overlap sideways to form the pi bond. To construct MO for conjugated pi systems, a fundamental rule applies. The number of atomic orbitals involved must be equal to the number of molecular orbitals formed. Also, energy increases with increasing number of nodes in the molecular orbital. Since 1,3-butadiene has 4 carbons, we combine 4 atomic p orbitals to generate 4 MOs, designated as pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, and pi 4. We always start with 0 node, the totally symmetric representation, and then energy increases with increasing number of nodes. Because each carbon contributes 1 electron to this pi system, we have a total of 4 pi electrons to distribute into these molecular orbitals. And following the Aufbau principle, we will fill these molecular orbitals from lowest energy to highest energy, with pi 1 and pi 2 being filled with 2 electrons each. And now, looking back at the given molecular orbitals, number 1 has 2 nodes corresponding to pi 3, and number 2 has 1 node corresponding to pi 2. In the MO that we constructed, only pi 1 and pi 2 are filled with electrons. Therefore, number 2 in the choices is the only occupied MO, and the answer is letter B.